How to cash in on the NFT craze by promoting CPA offers on Facebook, step by step. In this free video tutorial, we're going to show you step by step how you can make big profits with NFT CPA's offers on Facebook. The NFT market is exploding, and you have probably heard about them by now. People are talking about NFT everywhere, on social media, and all around the internet. Right now, NFT are the fastest growing financial investment in the world. If you are an affiliate marketer, you should definitely consider running NFT CPA offers because it's a huge trend right now. So, without any further ado, let's get started, and we will show you everything you need to start making money with NFT offers. Plus, we will share some of our best Facebook ad strategies and scaling methods, so make sure you watch the whole video. What are NFT CPA offers, and why they are awesome to promote as an affiliate? If you are a more experienced affiliate marketer, and you have already worked with the most popular financial CPA offers, this is going to be similar. With these NFT CPA offers, you can earn high payouts per conversion, just like with those good old financial offers that made so many affiliates super rich. A typical funnel of these offers looks like this. For you to get a conversion, people need to register on the platform, and they need to make a deposit of $250 to get started earning with NFT. Once the deposit is made, you get a conversion. The payout for a single conversion is around $300 with these offers, which is very good. Just think about it. If you can make only 3 sales a day, you can already make almost $1,000 per day. As I mentioned before, the NFT market is very hot right now, and it's a huge trend. People want to invest and make money with NFT, since most of them missed the early days of making money with Bitcoin. They don't want to miss the opportunity of making money with NFT. And because of that, as an affiliate, you also should not miss the opportunity to make money with these NFT offers while the market is very hot. However, finding a good NFT offer is not the easiest thing. There are only a few CPAs networks out there with NFT offers, but I guess you would like to know which one you should choose to get the best conversion rates and highest payouts. And the answer is Algo Affiliates. As one of the fastest growing CPAs networks, Algo Affiliates offers its partners some of the highest commission rates and conversion rates in the market. Algo Affiliates is also run by a highly professional and dedicated team who are driven and always ready to provide high-quality support and all the resources. Speaking of resources, they can also provide the best performing pre-landers for these offers. So you have a choice of using their proven pre-lander, or you just send traffic directly to the offer page. But of course, you can use your own custom landing page as well if you want. One of their top NTF offers right now is called NFT Profit. Our affiliate manager told us that this offer is working very well in the United Kingdom right now, so this is the offer we're working with. The pre-landers they're providing are high quality and already proven to work by other affiliates. Here's an example. Now that we have our offer in pre-lander, in the next step, we're going to show you how to find profitable ads for your campaign. How to spy on other affiliates and find what ads are profitable. Creating winning ads without knowing what is working for others is hard. You need to test a lot until you find your winning ads. However, if you know how to spy on your competitors and learn what works the best for them, you can start with a much higher chance of winning right away. Your competitors have spent a lot of time and money on testing and finding their best performing creatives. So why not take the winning creative strategies from their top performing ads and tweak them to make them your own unique twist? Since you are going to target the same audience base as your competitors are targeting, it's very likely that if you create very similar ads and apply the same strategies, they will draw the same audience to your ads. One of the most popular and best ways to spy on your competitors' ads is by using the Facebook ad library. The Facebook ad library lets you see every single Facebook ad that your competitors are running. There are 2 main methods for using the Facebook ad library. First, you can visit your competitor's Facebook page, and you will see a page transparency section. Then you need to click on See All, and you will see some details about the page. From there, you need to scroll down until you see ads from this page, and then click on Go to Ad Library. Next, you will be taken to your competitor's Facebook ad library page, where you will see a list of current and inactive ads for this page that your competitor has run. You can also visit the Facebook ad library directly by going to their home page, and there you can select specific geos you want to spy on, add categories, and you can search for relevant keywords or advertisers. You can also see the ad details of each ad, and you will see how long they have been running it. The longer runtime, the better, because if the ad was not working, they would not run it and spend money on it for so long. You can also use third-party spy tools, which can make the spying process a bit faster. However, I think the ad library will give you everything you need for free, So it's up to you whether you want to invest in a third-party Facebook ads spy tool to save some time, or you stick to the Facebook ad library. Once you find the best performing ads, you need to create very similar looking but unique ads images for yourself. You can also write new ad copies based on the ones you see, or you can just rewrite them to make your unique twist. I don't recommend just ripping others' ads because unique ads always perform better. How to get your tracker set up and linked using the Facebook cAPI to track conversions properly. Post iOS 14.5 update. Tracking your campaigns is very important. You need to be able to see which segments of your campaign bring profits and which ones are losing money. We recommend using third-party tracking solutions for this that allow you to track conversions properly after the iOS 14.5 update. Like RedTrack, for example, they have a solution for connecting Facebook via cAPI and tracking everything using first-party cookies. It works using server-to-server postbacks instead of relying on third-party cookies placed on the user's end. To do this first, you need to configure your postback. You need to copy your postback URL from your tracking software and place it in your CPA's network, which is Algo Affiliates in this case. Inside RedTrack, go to Tools and select Conversion Tracking. Copy your postback URL and modify the macros according to your affiliate network specifications. Go to Algo Affiliates and click on your offer. In the Offers Settings section, scroll down until you see your pixels or postbacks and click on the Add New button. Select Postback URL as code type, add your postback URL, and change the replace me parts with the correct variables. You can also ask your Algo Affiliates manager to place and set up the postback for you if you don't know how to do this. Next, you need to add Algo Affiliates as your CPA's network, offer source, in RedTrack. Go to Offer Sources and select Add New. Then you just need to name the offer source and click Save. Next, you need to add your offer that you are going to promote. Go to Offers and click Add New. First, you need to name your offer, then go to Algo Affiliates, select your offer, and go to Add Click ID. You need to add Click ID, which is RedTrack's parameter for the Click ID, and Algo Affiliates will automatically add their Click ID parameter to your link. Then copy your tracking link and add it in the Offers section in RedTrack. Next, you need to add Facebook as traffic sources and connect it with RedTrack via API. Go to Traffic Sources, select Add New from Template, find Facebook, and click on the Add button. After that, scroll down until you see Facebook API integration and click on Connect Facebook. It will take you to Facebook. You'll need to log in and select the account you want to connect to and confirm the connection. Once you've successfully connected your Facebook account, you'll be taken back to your RedTrack account. Then you'll need to submit your Facebook Pixel ID and Conversion API key. You can generate a Conversion API key inside Facebook Ads Manager. Just go to Events Manager, select Pixel Settings, and scroll down until you find Conversion API. Then click Create Access Token. You need to copy the generated token and add it to RedTrack. Then you also need to add your Facebook Pixel ID, which you can find in the Pixel settings as well. Copy your Pixel ID and add it to RedTrack. Once it's done, click Save, and if all went well, a green active button should appear on the page. When all this is done, the next step is to create a no redirect campaign. Go to Campaigns in RedTrack and click on Create New. Then type in a name for your campaign and select Facebook as traffic source. Next, you need to create your funnel. Select the offer you want to promote, and if you are using a custom landing page, select that as well. Then click Save, and after that, go to the Tracking Links and Parameters section. Select No Redirect and copy the No Redirect script. You need to add the script in the head section of your landing page. Once you do this, you can use your landing page as your final URL in Facebook ads. You don't have to use your RedTrack tracking link. You just need to copy the tracking parameters from the Tracking Links and Parameters section and add it to your landing page URL. How to set up the campaigns on Facebook ads to test and find your best creatives. To get started setting up your first campaign, go to Facebook Ads Manager, select Campaigns, and click Create. Next, select Conversions as your campaign objective and click Continue. Next, you will need to name your campaign and set up campaign budget optimization if you want. We're not going to do that because we want to set the budgets on its set level. Then you need to select Website as Conversion Event Location, and you need to select your pixel and event. Now we are going to set the daily budget on ad set level to have more control over the ad sets, and you can also select start and end dates if you want. In the Audience section, select your target geo, which is the United Kingdom in this case. Next, you need to define your audience by selecting the age group, gender, interests and behaviors, etc. We recommend testing different audiences in separated sets right away to find your winning combos as soon as possible. When it comes to placements, I recommend starting one ad set with Facebook only, and another one with targeting audience networks as well. This way, you will have more control when you optimize. The next step is selecting your Facebook page that you want to use for this campaign, and then you can upload your ads. When your ad is ready, add your destination URL, landing page link if you are using a no redirect campaign in the website URL box. Then scroll all the way down to the tracking section and add the tracking parameters from RedTrack in the URL parameters box. Once you have all this, you can save and add another creative. I recommend starting with 3 different creatives per ad set to compare them against each other and find the best performing ones ASAP. How to optimize the best creatives to increase your profits. When it comes to optimizing your creatives, you need to spend some money on them before you can start adjusting them. You need to have enough data to see which one works the best. You don't want to rush ahead and cut creatives just because one of your ads looks slightly better than the others. If you analyze your creatives and you don't see any significant sign that one is much better than the others, keep them running for a couple more days. Looking at the number of conversions is just not enough, because if you see one of your creatives got 2 sales and the other one got only 1, it doesn't mean that you should cut right away. Look at the spend and the cost per conversion. Maybe the creative with 2 conversions spent more and the cost per conversion might be high, while the other ad with only 1 conversion could have a better conversion rate. So you need to keep an eye on other metrics as well before you decide what to cut. And if your analytics are not showing clear data, yet feed them with more data. If you don't get any conversions or you get the same amount of conversions on your ads, try to optimize based on the click-through rate, CTR. Low CTR ads cost more and will give you bad results. So if any of your ads has a much lower CTR than the others, cut that ad right away or replace it with a new one. After some testing and optimizing, when you find something that shows traction, that's when you need to start scaling it. How to scale the winning ad sets on Facebook to increase revenues and profits. When it finally comes to scaling your winning ad sets, it's obvious that you need to increase the budgets. But keep in mind, you need to be careful when you are raising budgets. Don't rush. Don't try to scale from a few $100 to a couple thousand right away. If you raise your budget too aggressively, what will happen is Facebook's algorithm will try to get to the new budget level as soon as possible, and it will bid extremely high CPMs and will spend your money before the end of the day. So, when you start scaling your ad sets, you should not increase your budgets more than 15% at a time. Otherwise, the algorithm will screw up your conversions and it might double your CPAs, which means it will cost much more money to get a conversion. We suggest starting your campaign with 4 ad sets targeting different interests and demographics, and using 3 or 4 ads per ad set. By doing this, we can scale our ad sets gradually once we found the winning ads, and we can scale faster and don't have to worry about the algo messing up our conversions. Once we found our very best creative and ad set, we can also scale by creating and adding the same winning ad in different ad sizes. I know it sounds like something that doesn't matter that much, but believe me, it does. If you stick to the standard square ad sizes like most affiliates do, you miss out on other placements that might work great, and as you probably know, Facebook has a ton of placements. I suggest trying at least the most popular ad sizes, which are the following: 1200x 628, 600x 750, and 1080x 1080. So once you find your winning ad image, which is let's say a square image, remake that same ad into 1200x 628, 600x 750 ad sizes and throw them into an ad set and launch them. You should also try to scale your winning ads by using different ad formats, not just newsfeed ads. If you run only image ads, you should try at least videos and dynamic ads as well. When you find a winning ad, you should use the elements it has like the ad copy, headline, description, images, or video content to create every type of ad format Facebook offers. The manual bidding strategy is also a good one that will help you scale your ads further. It's obvious how the Facebook algorithm works. It's all about who spends the most money. If you use auto bidding, the algo will put you in a spot based on what it thinks your CPAs will be. All this based on the targeting and ad content, of course. So always the top bidders are the ones whose ads will be shown first to users scrolling their news feed on Facebook. Being the first to be viewed has the advantage of generating the most excited clicks, which will lead to action. The only problem is, it's impossible to know what the highest bid is. But hey, that's why we test. Usually we test 3 different bid strategies when it comes to scaling using manual bids. Bid 3x max CPAs, $15 or $20 budget per ad set. Bid 6x max CPAs, $15 or $20 budget per ad set. Bid 9x max CPAs, $15 or $20 budget per ad set. Try using the same manual bidding strategy and see what gives you the best results. Also, when you are working on your scaling strategies, don't forget about lookalike audiences. As you probably know, Facebook knows everything about their users, what they like, what they talk about, their behaviors, buying habits, etc. So, once you acquire enough data from your campaign, you should create custom audiences from which you can generate lookalike audiences. In fact, they claim that each individual on Facebook has thousands of data point intersections, allowing their technology to create people that look just like your consumers. To do this, first you need to create custom audiences, wait for them to populate, and after that you can generate lookalike audiences. And you can create new campaigns targeting these lookalike audiences only. And lastly, retargeting. If you are in the business for a long time, you know that everyone is talking about how important retargeting is. And it's true, if you don't retarget your visitors, you are leaving money on the table. With a retargeting campaign, you can lower your cost per conversion by 1/3 of your current cost. Ideas and tips on where to scale your winning ad combinations. How to find them using spy tools. If you want and have the budget to scale your winning campaigns even further, you can try a horizontal scaling method. It basically means you are going to launch your campaign with the same winning creatives on traffic sources other than Facebook. And if your campaign is really a winning, it's very likely that it will perform very well on other traffic sources too. You can start with TikTok, for example. More and more affiliates realize that TikTok is actually a great traffic source for affiliate marketer. The TikTok ads interface looks and works very similarly to Facebook ads. All you need to do is create a video that fits their requirements. There are also a bunch of other great traffic networks you can try and test your winning campaign. Native traffic sources, for example, work very well with these kinds of offers. The best and easiest way to find the top traffic sources for your vertical and offer is by using spy tools. Spy tools like Adplexity, for example, can show you which ads and verticals work best on different traffic sources. So, let's say you want to launch your winning campaign on native traffic sources. You can fire up Adplexity Native, then search for a keyword that is relevant to your offer. Then scroll down to the traffic sources section to see which traffic sources are the most popular for your vertical. Once you have the info, create an advertiser account on some of these top native traffic sources and launch your winning campaign using the same winning images and ad texts. Conclusion: NFT are the fastest growing financial investment in the world. The market is very hot right now, so if you are an affiliate marketer looking to earn serious money, grab one of these NFT CPA offers and start working on your campaigns. Keep in mind, the offer itself is always the most important thing in your campaign. If the offer sucks, you won't be able to make your campaign profitable no matter how hard you try. That's why it's crucial to start with the best offers right away. And to do that, all you have to do is to create your Algo Affiliates account and talk to your account manager. Tell them what you are looking for and what goals you want to achieve, and they will help you select the best NFT offer based on your requirements. These are 7-day stats for running these campaigns on Facebook.